All right, y'all, we are live on this scary Wednesday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. I do pray everybody watching and listening is super blessed as Bitcoin is taking a tumble. And honestly, guys, as you just saw, I just lost $583 live during the countdown on this epic long trade that ended up being a loss, because it happens, guys. It happens. And I just flop and groped into another long trade live on YouTube. So make sure to like the dang stream, subscribe to the dang channel, because if we get 1,000 likes within the first half hour, we are going to be giving away 1,000 USDT, baby. So shout out to everybody in the chat. God bless everybody in here. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Splashfire Film says blessings, Jason Casper. Well, blessings to you, Splashfire. Shout out to my man, HFG. You taking along right now? Yes, I'm taking along right now, baby. We're long. We're strong. We're singing the pump song. Well, not yet. We'll have to wait and see if that happens later on in the stream. All right, but yes, I have just taken a freshie, baby. And the reason why I've taken a fresh long right here is because, simply, the Bitcoin price has come down to a level, and honestly, if I don't long this level and it bounces from here, I will forever be angry at myself. What is the level, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm so glad you asked. We're going to go to the 1 hour time frame, the 2 hour time frame, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull the Fibonacci from the low to the high. And you can see we're bouncing right from none other than the 786 Fibonacci. Here's a picture of her. What a smashing looking young lady. All right from the 786 Fibonacci, getting a little bit of a bounce Roni e queso. And yeah, look, if I don't long the 786, well, I'll be very upset with myself for not longing the 786. Let's just put it that way, man. I'll be mad at myself for not longing the 786. And so, here we go. We're getting a little bit of a bounce. Not sure if it's going to be a win. Not sure if it's going to be a loss. You know, I don't know. I really don't know, and I honestly don't care, because, look, we're using good risk management up in here, and it is what it is, right? We're using good risk management up in here, and it is what it is. But here's the thing, guys. We do have to be aware of a few things, all right? First of all, I do want to talk about the trade I was in yesterday. Obviously, that trade that you saw yesterday was closed out. We hit the take profit one, and then we hit the stop loss for a small win. The trade I took the other day, we hit that take profit one, trade closed out for a small win. The trade I took the other day, last week, on YouTube as well, man. We've been taking these trades live. Obviously, this one is a much bigger win, and it only shows 7 days of history here on BLOFIN. But the thing is, you know, we've been raking in those big wins, those small wins, and those small losses, and that's really the way to do it, guys. Keep the wins big, and then the losses small, and then, of course, with these other trades, like we've been in a downtrend, we've been kind of bearish since Monday, but as it goes, you know, once you lock in that profit and it's a small win, then who really cares, right? Your small wins, your small losses, and then those big wins, that's what's really gonna be the money makers. And of course, I'm still holding the long trade from $60,000. Potentially, we are looking for a move down to the $62,000 level. Now, you might have seen from the title of the video that this is a historic level for Bitcoin. Why? Why historic, Jason? Why? Can you tell us why? Sure, I'll tell you why. The reason why is because if we go back to the big chart, right? We go to the daily time frame and we look at all the volume that's traded here, all right? We can see that we are right now potentially rejecting from the high volume node of the range, 67,200. And the only support we really have until we come down much lower is actually going to be this area that we're coming to right here, like this 786 zone, right? So we're coming down to like last hope support before, in my opinion, we get a bigger drop to the golden pocket from the low to the high at around $63,000. All right, so this is very, very, very key right now. This level that we're currently bouncing from, this 786, and so far, there's no real sign of strength as far as the market structure goes. But I do want to say this: on Market Cipher B right now, we are in fact printing a bullish divergence on the 12-minute time frame, and we have the money flow getting higher, and we have the momentum waves getting higher. And when we go down to the 6-minute time frame, we have the bullish divergence, and when we go down to the 3-minute time frame, we have the bullish divergence, and when we go down to the 1-minute time frame, we indeed have the bullish divergence. And so this is a very key level that we're coming down to, a make it or break it level for the Bitcoin price. All right, we got to hang on one second here. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, baby. Now, of course, we are still in the short trade, so it's not like we're just catching falling knives only up in here, right? I'm also in a few short positions as well from the setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord on Friday, right? Still holding short trades on the Bitcoin price. So if we do continue to drop here, no worries, right? Because we're making those small losses, small wins, but these shorts are running and these shorts are printing right now. They are printing, baby. And as you can see, we have come down to the target of our short trade that we have right here, right? Let's go ahead and remove these green lines. But yes, we are at the first target of the short trade at this white box. This white box is not just any old white box, all right? This white box is a white box of absolute wonder, because again, this is the last support that we have here at the 786 before we see, in my opinion, potentially much lower prices coming back down to the next white box of mystery and wonder. All right, mystery and wonder of how in the world do these skinny legs support such a large upper body? It's a huge mystery, and nobody really knows for sure. But it's one of those things in trading. We don't know for sure, but we just know that somehow it happens, right? We don't know why uneven butt cheeks give us bullish moves to the upside. We don't know why. We just know it happens. All right? All right, so getting back to the chart right now, we do have to give a major shout out to everybody here. Arathi says lower probably. Odin, shout out to Odin. Shout out to Quicker. With 25 cents past my entry to the dang dollar. As far as I'm concerned, that's what's up. Shout out to Justin Barker. Says Jay is actually human after all. Shout out to R Wicked Sick. Who says, haha, noob sold. J Money, big long time. You become prey when you pray. Don't you mean it the other way around? Shout out to J Money. What? Eric? I don't get it, man. Shout out to Felix H. Like the stream. Telone says, don't chase Candales. Crypto LP 33 says 100. Let's go. Crypto Punk says, yo, God bless you, HFG. Sorry, my man. Got a little dyslexia going on. We got to give a major shout out to our super chat, Crypto Scarface. He says, look at the 4-hour market structure. I think Bitcoin will dump to 64. Yeah, it could, man. It could. But here's the thing. And I was talking about this a little bit this morning, but ever since we had this first move down, we have not had a retracement all week. Right? We have not had a retracement. This is one move. right? We didn't really even make a lower high here. I mean, we just bear flagged it and broke, right? And so for that reason, there is a chance here that we do get a bit of a retracement from this area, which is why, even though based on the 1 hour time, the 1 day time frame, I expect lower. This is why we are potentially looking for a bit of a bounce from this area. All right. Now, you know, again, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work out, right? I rolled the dice. I rolled the dice twice today, guys. Rolled the dice twice today. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Looks like it's gonna be another loss. Oh no! I'm so scared and nervous. Got to do my deep breathing exercises, baby. All right. Thank you so much for Crypto Scarface for the super chat. Shout out to Dread Mining. In the same, a strong breeze will topple me over. Shout out to Money Print. Shout out to everyone who skips leg day. Do I think total MC will drop to 2.18 trillion? Thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate that so much. Do I think the total market cap will drop that low? I do not know, Money Print. I do not know. All right. I'm not qualified to give an answer on that. All right, here we go, baby. Bitcoin trying so hard to get a little bit of a bounce. We're going to take a look at the order flow chart real quick, and then we're going to do some more analysis. But basically, guys, here's what happened. You know, I took a long trade from right here when we got this first bounce, right? Once we got this first bounce, where did I take that? Yeah, so I actually longed. Yeah, you guys saw me. I longed right here, because we reclaimed this low, and at the time, Market Cipher B was printing some bull divs. I thought, oh, this could be it, right? I thought this could be it. We're going to front run the 786. Market Cipher B was printing a bullish div on the 12-minute. Of course, that got stopped out, and now we're trying to long again from the 786. But let's not forget this, guys. Let's not forget this. All right, it's super important. On Monday, if there were two things, all right, I gave a very short and concise technical analysis on Monday. In fact, the live stream could have lasted 15 minutes, but I made it last 3 hours because that's one of the arts of being a YouTube technical analyst. You take something that can be said in literally 5 minutes and you make it last hours and hours and hours because, you know, us YouTubers, we like to listen to ourselves talk. You know, I like to. You know, even when I'm off the stream, I just talk to myself all day in this exact voice. Jason, how you feeling? I'm pretty good. Talk to myself. How's the weather? It's nice. Like when the trees are this color, it's the fall. But on Monday, what did we say? We said two things. Number one, if we confirm the red dot right here, and if the candle closes below this level, we expect the rest of the week to be bearish. And that has in fact happened. And so we have to expect the rest of the week to be bearish. Even if we get retracements, even if this bounce from the 786 gives us a retracement, we have to still expect a little bit lower here. All right, because when we just look historically at Market Cipher B, we have two main characters here. First of all, the bearish character, El Punto Rojo, right? The gangster from Mexico, smuggling across the borders of support and resistance, those bearish candles. El Punto Rojo, every time he rears his ugly head, we get a big move to the downside. The rest of the week is always bearish, right? And we also have El Punto Verde, is the arch nemesis of El Punto Rojo. All right. Look, you don't want to be caught in El Punto Verde's territory wearing a red dot in your head. All right. Now, I mean no offense to any, you know, what religion puts the dot in the head? Hindu? I mean no offense to that, right? But you don't want to be in the territory of El Punto Verde walking around like that because, look, here's the thing. They are arch nemeses, and they will wreck each other. El Punto Verde means the rest of the week is going to be bullish. Right? At least the rest of the week. And so we do need to be prepared for a big pullback here. Yeah, and I was bullish last week, don't get me wrong. But the charts do not lie. All right, the charts don't lie. So here's the deal. We came up, front ran the value area high by just a little bit. Naked daily point of control. Now we've lost the POC. The two levels to the downside that we need to be prepared for are level number one is going to be $63,000 because that's the Fibonacci golden pocket pull from the last local low to the all-time high. And if we're looking at this as bearish, if we're looking at this as a bullish move, which it could be, right? Like this could be a bullish move. Now, you might say to yourself, Jason, this is actually a bearish rising wedge. To which I would say, oh my goodness, you're right. Better put on our purple hat. But look, if this is actually going to break out, so sometimes rising wedges do break out, then this is where it could happen from, right? Because we're maintaining with that bullish rounded bottom here. And if this is going to be a curve, you know how the curves break out and they follow that parabolic kind of pattern, this is where it's probably going to happen from, right? We got the trend line, we've got ourselves the golden pocket. Now, if we lose that golden pocket, this is where things could get kind of bad, right? Why could they get bad? Because we are breaking down now from a bearish rising wedge, and the support we would have below that would have to be from low to high. The actually, let's pull it from this low. Yeah, so right around that value area low, right around 59K. That would be the next support. But, and I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news. I'm not trying to even be scary or anything like that. But you guys have to understand, we need to be prepared for what's possible. Because we're not here to predict. We're here to prepare. We stay prepared. How do we stay prepared? Well, number one, we always wear Depends maximum absorbency adult diapers. All right? Because then we don't get liquidated. They are maximum absorbency. The liquid gets absorbed. All right? The second way we stay prepared is by knowing where the key levels are, so that when price comes, we can make an informed decision. Which means, you know, we're putting the probabilities in our favor. So if we're going to lose 59K, then I have to revert back to this. I have to revert back to this. We have been trading along this massive trend line throughout the entirety of the bull market, going all the way back to November 2022, when SBF, when the whole FTX thing first went down. This has basically been the trend line of the bull market, right? And we have this downward sloping trend line right here. We've been making lower lows throughout the entirety of this whole thing, right? The next target is going to be the low 40s. The low 40s is going to allow us to test the yearly open, the Fibonacci golden pocket from literally the last year, 2023 low, to the 2024 high. It's the value area high of the last 4 years, and it's a high volume node of all of January. All right? Now, this could be, like I've said many times, the opportunity of the bull market to finally get in that last big push. And people are looking at this thing as a bull flag. But here's the thing. It's not actually a flag. It's actually a bugle pattern. It's a trumpet pattern. Right? It's a bugle pattern. It's a trumpet pattern. That's what is going on here. Right? And so, hang on, guys. We're in dire straits. Okay, no, we're up. We're up 86 bucks, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on. But this is not a bull flag. This is a bugle pattern, a trumpet pattern, you know? So if we're going to continue with this trend line, then this massive confluence is really where we're at. This is where all the intersectionality is. All right? All the intersectionality is here. Speaking of intersectionality, shout out to all my fat, white, ambiguously gendered college students majoring in trans, non-carbon, binary emission gender studies, because I know how much you guys love intersectionality. In fact, I myself, there's a picture of me back in the day when I did major in trans, non-carbon, binary emission gender studies, and I minored in intersectionality, and that's actually how I learned how to do TA. And so here we are, on the chart, baby, looking for the intersectionality, getting back into our fat, white, ambiguously gendered college student mentality here, right? To look for that next juicy long trade, to pump Bitcoin to the next all-time high. And so this is just stuff we got to be aware of. Now also, look at what do we need to be aware of right now, guys. Look at how dire the situation is now. We are coming back to back test this trend line right now. Like this is why I'm telling you this is a historic moment, right? The thumbnails don't lie. The titles don't lie. Will Bitcoin bounce? Historic level being tested. Oh man, so sensational. Look, if we do get a little bit of a bounce from this 786 here, this could be something like that, right? It could be. This is very key right here. If we lose this, guys, and we close daily candles now below this level, do you know what that means? That means this was a big old fake out. A big old fake out. right? Bitcoin was just stringing us along, making us think she was interested, like Six Juanita, my high school crush. She was stringing me along, making me think she was interested. She would laugh at my jokes, you know. Turns out I was in the friend zone. So when I finally asked her out, bam! Rejection. The heartache, the pain. It was a fake out. She was stringing me along. And she was using me because I would let her copy for my homework. I would carry her books to class. If she needed money, I would give it to her because I was a successful trader. Trading Bitcoin. All right? And she was just a dumb blonde in high school. Just a dumb blonde cheerleader in high school. All right? Obviously, didn't know how to trade. You could tell by the look in her eyes that she didn't really know how to trade too well. Technical analysis was not her forte. All right, $29 in the green, baby. If you know what I mean, baby. All right, we got some super chats that we got to shout out. First of all, major shout out to Crypto Scarface again. Jason Casper's in revenge trading mode. Man, we're getting angry up in here, baby. All right, we're not revenge trading. It's not called revenge trading. It's called, oh man, I can't think of another word for it right now. Okay, maybe we're revenge trading, all right? We're not revenge trading, though, if you're doing it with good risk management and you have a valid reason to get into a trade, right? That's what's most important here, guys. Do you have a valid reason to trade? Yay or nay? Are you using good risk management? Yay or nay? If you can say yay to both, then hip hip hooray. Because you got yourself into a trade that might pay. And if the trade doesn't pay, then you're going to pay. You're going to pay. But either way, we can say that we did the right thing today. Trading with good risk management according to our strategy from a level that we've been waiting for. The green box of juicy goodness that we've had on our chart now for quite some time. All right? The long zone where we're looking for those bullish divergences. Understanding that it might happen from here. Bitcoin trying to bounce. How's the order flow looking right now? We do have quite a few shorts that shorted right here that are still in the green. Right now, it looks like the bears are in control. I gotta be honest. It looks like the bears are in control, baby. Ah! Ah! Oh! All right, Divine Hood says 65.5 bounce. All right, guys. No need to be concerned. All right, no need to get upset. All right, whew. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's check out the order flow real quick. All right, so we have a few trades opening up. I'm not too confident right now, guys, in this trade. All right. I'm not too confident in it. We're going to have to wait and see how it plays out. The 786 is giving us a little bit of a bounce, but honestly, we just retested again. We just made a lower low. It's not looking so great. Looks like we're about to lose again. All right? Looks like we're about to lose again. Dang. All right. Let's refresh this. Are we even logged into this exchange? Yeah, we're logged in. Like I promised yesterday, I did take profits upon losing this level. I took out 0.4 Bitcoin worth of this trade upon losing this level because I'm you know, we're here to make money, guys. We're here to make money. So, oh man. Okay, Bitcoin. Whew. Guys, this is some scary stuff. This is legitimately scary stuff. All right, let's watch this trade. Are we going to pump or are we going to get stopped out? Pump or stopped out? What do you guys think? Let me know. Make sure to smash the likes. We got 2,000 people in here, 600 likes. If everyone likes the stream in the next 5 minutes, man, we'll give away $1,500, baby. We'll give away $1,500. Yeah, yeah, 1,500. Yeah, 1,500. That's what we'll give away if everyone smashes the likes in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, do a giveaway, $1,500. Everybody in the chat, let me hear you holler. As we took the long trade from the bottom at the beginning of the stream. Can you even spot a butt? We're about to get stopped out. I was smiling, now my smile has turned into a frown because we're coming back down. The candle's turning purple. Bitcoin got me so delusional, I'm in circles. Oh no. Oh no, I have to burp, yo. Got the gas and it really makes me hurt, yo. Because when I tried to long the bottom, then the price reverses. Can you even spot them? We came up a little bit, we got a rejection. Bitcoin jumping like an upside down erection. And then we're coming to the stop loss. Bitcoin about to dump. Jason Casper, hopefully you got the sauce. Talking about the buffalo hot sauce. I put it on my chicken when I'm eating like a boss. You got the chicken rice and the broccoli when we're coming to the charts just to take the trade D's. Yeah, every single day when we're walking on the treadmill just to get paid. Looking around, making the change, taking the trade. Every day when we're going up, looking to page our friends on the phone like we're drinking cups of coffee every day. Got the caffeine going through my veins. Talking about the veins that I got in my arms. Don't you know when the Bitcoin price bounces it will go far? But now we're struggling right at the entrance. Bitcoin looking to change directions. Maybe we come up and then we get the vengeance. Hey, and I forgot to mention that we're bouncing right from the 786. Cause the Bitcoin price is back to her old tricks. We take a look at her picture, it makes me sick. It's a guy in disguise, back to the sticks. Yeah, coming back to good old BLOFIN. Hey, there's a promotion going on, better get in. 10% cash back futures trading up until November 21st, it ain't playing. Better sign up right now, you could win an Apple Watch. And I don't know how, if you trade 300 million contracts, you could earn a Tesla. Now what about that? Coming back to the chart now. We're just holding here, trading sideways. Let me spit it right into your ear, my dear. As Jason Casper just freestyles on the internet. Hopefully I'm not getting too wet from the sweat that's dripping from my face. Jason Casper long, but what a disgrace. He's about to lose the money all over the place. What a clown, what a dang disgrace. Oh, who we got in the chat right now? Let's take a look. AJA, how you doing, man? Bro, what a freestyle. Abraham, that a PhD, thumbs up, he is the man. Lopez, 100 likes to go. Welcome to the Jason Casper Crypto Trading Freestyle Show. If we get 100 likes, we're gonna give away $1,500 tonight. We got 1 minute left, better do it right. Hit the thumbs up and smash it real tight. Get your hammer and pound it alright until we get 1,000 likes to the giveaway tonight. Yeah, don't know what I'm saying. Hopefully these trades keep on paying. I'm playing. Yeah, okay. Alright guys, so here we are. Looks like I think, come on, let's smash up the likes. We need 70 more in 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. Come on. Bitcoin. Don't do it to me now, baby. Don't stop me out now. The candle's turning orange. The candles are turning orange. Here we go. Yeah, we got the likes. We got the likes. We got the likes, baby. Yeah, we got the likes. Yeah, we got the likes, baby. Yeah, we got the likes. We got the likes, baby. Yeah, we got the likes. We got the likes, baby. How about that? About to give away 1,500 in a hat. As we got the likes, the price is looking right. Took a long trade, but it looks like it's good night. Cause they got me in the sleep. I'll hold the chokehold. The price is going down as the Bitcoin price is driving all around in the town. But don't you know we want the candles to turn orange? I'm so dang hungry, hopefully I'll eat some porridge later tonight when I'm looking at the door hinge, opening the front door to let in my friend George. Yeah, George, he's my homeboy from high school. Jason Long, the top man, yo, he's such a fool. Tried to ask out 618 on a date, but she slapped me in the face. She said, Jason, you just wait, better get away from me. And then they go back to date, cause we're going on a date. Just kidding, we are pray. Yeah, now we rap like this. Hopefully, I do not have to take a piece as we look at the Bitcoin tattoos on the hand. What do you think we're going to do? Of course, she will reject us, smash us in the face. Purple candles flowing out all over the place. Come back to the trade and the price is going up. Don't you know I like to pour my hot coffee in a cup? Only drinking from the market Cipher mug. Mad caffeine, and you know it's so fun when we're coming to the treadmill, looking for the trades, sitting at the charts, just trying to get paid. Yeah, about to blast up through the entrance. Bitcoin gonna burst out, then we go the distance. How high do we go, do you ask? We'll pull a Fibonacci from the high to the glass. And the 618 coming at 666. The Bitcoin price back to her old tricks. 6-1 Eta, maybe this time she will say, oh yes, Jason, I will go out with you today, and you can be my boyfriend forever and ever. We can play games and tickle each other with a feather. Oh, 6-1 Eta, that sounds so great. If I don't get stopped out, hopefully I'm not late. When I pick you up tonight at 8, we'll drive in my tractor right through the gate, and we can come to the next support. If you short the bottom, don't you know that you're about to get hoard? But we got the plunger in the hand. Jason Casper going from sand to sand as we're driving across the United States land. East coast to west coast, plunger in hand. Then you take it, you rub it on your face like you're running a race. You're shaving all the hairs off, what a disgrace. Then you take a lick, put it in the place. It tastes like poop, but that's what they say. It's alright, because that's what I like. They ask about the plunger, only used it twice. In the toilet bowl, coming to the crypto show. Jason Casper, hear the flow. Welcome to the crypto, yo. Yeah, got the candles about to turn purple. Jason's so nerdy, just like Steve Urkel. Coming back to ZOOMEX, then to BLOFIN to see what the price is about to do next. As we're holding at the entry, hopefully we get money, then we're driving in the Bentley. Yeah. Alright, man. I'm so happy that we get to do a giveaway today, guys. You know, I am so happy that we get to do a giveaway today. Alright? Because, man, you guys really did it up, man. We're giving away $1,500 on stream. Alright? Now. But look, I'll tell you in the spam. We got to give a major shout out. Oh, I thought we had another super chat. Alright. But shout out to everybody in the chat, man. I don't know what to say about these trades right now. Obviously, we're not bouncing. We're obviously not bouncing. So, let's take a look at the order flow. Alright. We're actually building a little bit of, dare I say it, looks like a little bit of bearish CVD being built at here. Alright. So, don't be surprised if we drop. The shorts are in control. We have shorts opened. They're in profit. Then we have some longs opening up. And we're unable to... Oh, and we're making lower lows. Oh no. About to get stopped out, guys. Alright. And by the way, my man Divine Hood says we're going to bounce from this level. Alright, let's put on the Divine Hood level. I'm personally not going to long it, guys. I already took 2 losses today, so it's going to be my second loss of the day, baby. So, you know, we're looking at like almost a $1,000 loss on it, so... You know, $800 give or take. So it's just... I think I'm going to sit the rest of the day out, man. You know, it is what it is. Everyone has those days. Shout out to Crypto Scarface again for the super chat. God bless you, man. Look at the 1 minute chart. It's not looking good. Alright, let's go to the 1 minute chart. Alright, everyone stay calm. Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart. Right, stay calm. Stay calm, guys. Stay calm. Alright, we got this, baby. Shout out to Aaron G holding it down with the wrench. Yeah, it doesn't look that great on the 1 minute chart, baby. Alright. Oh, wow, we just tapped the naked daily point of control. Alright, we just tapped the naked daily point of control on ByBit. Alright, look at this. We just tapped the naked daily point of control on ByBit, baby. Uh-oh, it's not looking so good. Naked daily point of control. On ByBit, not looking so good. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ah! Oh! Alright, it's okay. It's okay, guys. Alright. I just want something to happen. Either we need to get stopped out. We need to get stopped out, or we need to pump. Alright? Enough of this. Enough of this, Bitcoin. Enough of this. Sheesh, man. Let's check out what happened here. Wow, a lot of longs wrecked into that naked daily point of control, that's for sure. Lots of longs wrecked into that naked daily. Let's check out, once again, the 1 minute time frame. Not looking the best. Let's check out the 6 minute time frame. Okay, look, it's acceptable, but it apparently these bull dips don't mean a dang thing. And honestly, this 12-minute time frame right now, the money flow was looking good at the beginning of the stream, guys, but right now we're actually seeing bearish signals on the 12-minute. All right, we thought we were forming an uneven butt cheek pattern here. Right, back in the day, we were forming technically the bullish divergence because the momentum wave a few candles ago was right here. All right, but now we're clearly forming what's known as a butt cheek blowout pattern, where the price it looks like it's gonna just be an uneven butt cheek. Right, things look normal, but then all of a sudden, bam, baby, the butt cheek blowout. And this happens when you inject Fix-A-Flat into your butt instead of going to an actual plastic surgeon to get the implants. All right, here we go, baby. We're dumping. Bitcoin. But we're holding that naked point of control right now. All right, so this really is a moment of decision as we watch this naked point of control right here. All right, we're gonna hold or we're gonna dump. Hold or dump, hold or dump. All right, this is the big moment of truth. This is the big moment of truth. Yo, Jay Casper, you know I'm about to spit the truth. I'll give it to you straight, I don't stand aloof. Bitcoin's coming right down, I won't spoof to the naked point of control through the roof. If we don't get a bounce here, listen to me, my dear, as I spit it in your ear. Cause we could dump down with the sky in the clear to 62K, don't you hear, cause when we come down below, we don't got much, nothing to show. We take a look at good old blow. With the fin, got the long trade, about to get stopped out, get it in. Here we're coming to the stop loss. Let me sit down and let me give you the sauce. Talking about the barbecue, put it on the meat. Jason Casper trading on the treadmill on the feet. Now we took a loss. Oh my goodness, $800 in the red. Now let me hear you holler. What a loss and what a disgrace. Taking losses on the internet all over the place. And as we're losing the naked daily point of control, the Bitcoin price better look out below. As we're coming to the next 4 hour, 65,390 maybe got the power, I don't know. But then we come back over here to good old MEXC. Let me see what the Bitcoin gonna be as we're in the short trade from the setup given on Friday morning in advance like the catch up. Cause I'm talking about the catch up, purple candles then the red. Better get up, better make the purple candles back to the red, so that we know we're not messed up in the head when we're taking a look at the short trades. The red means the green. Bitcoin dumping, let me tell you what I mean. $6,000 unrealized, 2,000 locked in, just like the super size McDonald's French fries. Got the red and the yellow, saturated fat, let me tell you, my fellow. If you keep eating all the dang cheeseburgers, gonna get clogged arteries. Haven't you heard at the doctor when he took your blood test? It's not the best, he said, better give it some rest. Better get on the treadmill, get the exercise in, lower your cholesterol. Where do I begin? McDonald's, we got the M pattern forming. Bitcoin about to make it poor before the morning, cause you long the top, then the price starts to drop. Then we hit the spot before we hit the tippy top. Then we're coming back down, level of support 64.7. Hopefully you don't get hurt, but hey, going back to the daily time frame, took a long trade, hopefully I'm not in pain. But we got the daily order block right here. Now sit back, relax, let me spit it in your ear. I'll give it to you quiet, can you even spy it? We got a nice order block right here, try it. Cause the order blocks, don't you know, they're like drugs. They give it to you for once free and then you're in the mug, in the rug. Twist it up, in with the bugs. Gotta get another hit before you get with the glove. Yeah, and if we drop back down to 62K, then maybe we turn around, come back up from there like we're in the clear, breathing in the air in our underwear, hair, our underwear hair. All right. Sheesh, man, this is crazy. All right, Cyrus says, I stopped watching you versus your rapping and screaming. Is it a competition? My rapping versus my screaming? All right. Dang, man. This is not good. This is not good. All right. All right, so we got the Divine Hood level. Remember, the Divine Hood level is 65.5. So we gotta give credit where credit is due. Divine Hood with the Divine Hood level at 65.5. And we lose the Divine Hood level, and then of course we do have an important support resistance flip right here. And then other than that, we have our daily order block. So I would say this, things are not looking very bullish. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this short tool on. All right. And let's see if we come to the Divine Hood level. All right, we're coming to the Divine Hood level, baby. All right, 65.5 is the Divine Hood level. All right. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Watch 64.3. Yep, 64.3 is at this support resistance flip here, right? Yeah, right here. Yeah, this is like a general zone right here. Okay, we're coming down. We're bleeding down. Bitcoin bleeding down, baby. Make sure to smash the likes. We got over 2,000 people in the house, baby. All right. All right. Let me see if we missed any super chats. We didn't, but shout out to everybody in the chat right now. God bless you. Shout out to HFG. Kick Drum says stop over leveraging. LOL. The bod. Hiss Tava says I'm always stacking. Who TF is Divine Hood? Divine Hood is a trader in the Casper crew. One of the best traders in the world, baby. Cause look, it's the Casper crew. We got mad good traders up in there. All right. So when Divine Hood says something, you better pay attention. All right. Shout out to. Oh, you thought the verses were fire? What we're going to do right here is go back. Go back where? Up or down? Yeah, it's not bullish at all. All right. We're in a fair value gap right now, so we could reverse. Says Crypto Pump It. Well, look, man, I've already taken 2 trades today, 2 losses, but you know, I'm actually not even in a loss for the day because I've realized some profits from the long trade, right? $2,000, and technically speaking, I also did realize this $300 today. So we're up 2,600 minus 900. So 2,600 minus 900. So we're still up 15 on the day. Actually, I even did snag a little profits out of a different short trade that I'm in over on BingX as well. So we're still in the green for the day, baby. That's all that counts. We're coming to the Divine Hood level. All right. Let's see what happens here. Shout out to everybody in chat. Shout out to Sizzlack. Shout out to Pineapple 888 50K now. Oh man. Do I have a VIP Discord? Yeah, I do. I have a VIP Discord. JasonCasperTrading.com to join the best trading community in the world. All right, click the link to join the VIP Discord at JasonCasperTrading.com, where we have an entire beginner's course. We have multiple instructors giving you their levels, their setups, their trades. Plus, we have an entire beginners section for people just to get how to basically not get wrecked, right? We want to equip people with the tools they need to come off on a good foot, right? All right, we're coming down to the Divine Hood level, baby. Here we go. We're dumping. We're dumping. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss, baby. All right, we got to get back to the blue and the purple because this is ridiculous, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous. All right, we're coming down to the Divine Hood level, guys, all right? All right, Bitcoin dumping. All right, so once again, just to reiterate here, guys, I do just want to reiterate this, all right? Let's just do some basic TA here, all right? The basic TA is this. This, technically speaking, given the fact that we've lost 67.2, this looks like it's a fake out, man. If we're not going to hold the Fibonacci golden pocket at 63,000, that looks really bad. That looks really, really bad for Bitcoin. I'll even give it some more space. In order for this uptrend to maintain an uptrend, we need to bounce from this white box. If we don't, as I said before, there's a real chance that we come back to the yearly open, which is going to be right around here. All right? And I'm not saying this to be sensational. I'm saying this because this is just the reality of the chart, right? The reality of the chart is, if we're going to follow these two trend lines, which have been respected from the high and from the low, multiple taps, then if we can't hold the uptrend, then we do have ourselves a bearish rising wedge. The target of the rising wedge is going to be this. Once we take this low, we have nothing here until the yearly open. All right? I'm just being honest about things. I'm not trying to be bearish. I'm not trying to be scarish. I'm just being honest about things. All right? Did we bounce from the Divine Hood level? We bounced right from the Divine Hood level, baby. Shout out to Divine Hood. All right? Look at this, guys. Divine Hood gave us the level 65.5. We're bouncing right from it right now. Look at this. Shout out to Divine Hood, man. Dude knows his stuff. All right, the dude knows his stuff. Wow, man, he really knows his stuff. We've already gotten a pretty significant bounce from that level. Shout out to Divine Hood. Now we got the bullish divs printing here, man. Everything within me wants to FOMO into a long right now. You know, everything within me wants to FOMO into a long right now. All right. 49K is written on the book. It was right on a weekly level too. Is that where we're bouncing from? An old weekly? Let's check it out. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, we had an old weekly right here. Man, I want a long, but yeah, I've longed literally all three of these, all two of these bounces, and so far gotten wrecked each time. So let's give it a little bit of time here. Let's give it a little bit of time. Just give me some time, baby. Give me some time. You know? Crypto is dead, says Crypto Arrow. You think so? All right. All right. Let's see here. We got it again. We got this. It looks like she wants to print a divergence. All right. This is our last chance, guys. All right, last chance. Here we go. Last chance. It's our last chance, all right? Divine Hood level. We're long in the Divine Hood level, baby. Now, we front ran it a little bit on BLOFIN, but that's okay because we hit it on ByBit, all right? We hit it on ByBit, so it's good enough. It's good enough. All right? It's our last chance. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. This time, are these bullish divs going to play out? Come on, baby. All right, hang on. You know what? You know what we need in here? The pump song, baby. That's what we need. That's what we need, the pump song. That's what we need, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Better take off the bearish hat. It's time to get bullish up in here, baby. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. This is the pump song, guaranteed to pump the price every single time. They say 3 times is a charm. Here we go. Come on, bullish divergences. You can do it. Alright, we're pumping the Bitcoin price, baby. Here we go.
Yeah.
Better get your plunger microphones out. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump, baby. Here we go. Come on.
We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
Let's pump. All right, baby, we're up 13 bucks. $11, 15, 30. Come on, $31. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're pumping, baby. Here we go.
We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
All right, we're down to the wire. We're down to the wire and we're pumping it, baby. Army mateys, we're there pumping them golden candles in them there hills, our mateys. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss. Crank up the leverage, baby. Crank up the leverage to 30x, 50x. Confirm. Oh, can't do it. All right, but we're still pumping, mateys. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's do it.
We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. You know we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump
Right now. Whew, man. Excited for a $200 move, baby. And we caught 1/3 of it. We caught 1/3 of the move. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, man. Oh, man. Here we go, baby. Third time. The third time's a charm, they say. I don't believe in charms. All right? I believe in the power of God. But look. Come on. This is the third time. If this 12-minute bullish divergence doesn't confirm, it's literally going to be the third time today that these butt cheeks lied to me. I'm so sick of the butt cheeks lying. These cheeks usually don't lie. You know, there's a saying in the industry that we have here, the trading industry, cheeks don't lie. All right, they say that the cheeks don't lie. They say that the cheeks don't lie. But so far today, they've been lying. That's what's going on. Come on, baby. We got to pump it up. We got the butt cheeks printing, uneven cheeks on the chart. Come on, baby. I'm already down $900. Sheesh. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. They say the cheeks don't lie, no matter how you try. But today the Bitcoin price just won't seem to fly. We had the butt cheeks printing on the chart, the blue and orange candles looking like a work of art. Then we came over straight to market Cipher B. We took a quick look, let me tell you what we see. We see the first cheek on the left, nice, big, and juicy. The right side is skinny, just to round out the booty. And I don't even know if you could even spot it, but money flow's coming up a little bit hotted, but then it's coming back down, making me rethink. Maybe my smile will turn to frowns, but we got the green dot printing on the chart. A nice juicy cheek like a nice work of art. And we got 9 minutes for it to confirm. And if we do, then the price will start to look firm as we pump right up to the stratosphere. The Bitcoin price, let me spit it in your ear. At least to come back to test the VWAP, or maybe a bit higher. What you think about that? Yeah. Now we're about to pull some fibs, do some TA. Now where do we begin? We take it from the high to the low, begins to show 66K, that's about where we could go. Just to take liquidity from the shorters, we squeeze them down before we come a bit lower. 66K, come back to ByBit. We also got the VWAP here, now hear me spit. If we reclaim the VWAP, now what about that? We could see a big squeeze coming up to the chat, maybe even to the POC, 67.2 between you and me. But oh no, now we're coming back down to my entry. Thought I was gonna be driving a Bentley, but now I only got a bike, maybe a skateboard if things happen nice, but hopefully I don't get too frustrated. It's the third time in one day I get liquidated. Jason Casper gambling all the money he has. When he gets home, don't you know his wife will be mad? She said, hey Jay, you're doing it again, gambling all our money away with your friends. When you're walking on the treadmill with the people in the chat, got the Bitcoin price dumping, what about that? Hey, but hey look, my entry is support. Don't short the Bitcoin, you don't wanna get short. But the candle's turning purple, then the candle's turning orange, and I'm so dang hungry, get a bowl of porridge in the kitchen. Finger licking, it's so good when I'm chilling with my chickens outside on the homestead. Got it in the coop. The Bitcoin price really looks like poop, cause we got the uneven butt cheeks printed. Just kidding, then we keep spitting. Coming back down, then the price turns around. All the smiles on our face always turn into a frown when we sing the pump song, just trying to pump the price. Then they dump it back down, and it's not very nice. Put our pirate hats as we look at the chart. Shiver me timbers like a work of art. Oh, hopefully that we hold support. Come to exo charts. Hopefully I don't snort, cause when I laugh I snort like a pig. The Bitcoin price got me dancing like an Irish jig. Yeah, we had some longs open up, nothing much happening, that is enough. But we got some positive delta right here. Maybe if we reclaim, then we're out in the clear. Yeah, the 12-minute time frame. Uneven butt cheeks, ain't got no shame. Alright. You know, we do have to do a giveaway. We do have to do a giveaway, guys. Alright? We do have to do a giveaway today. So we'll do a giveaway right now. Alright, here's the rules for the giveaway. You want to win $1,500. $1,500. Here's what we do. Alright? Here's what we do. Here's what we do. Here's what we got to do. I want you guys to get your USDT addresses ready. It can be Tron, it could be ETH, it could be Binance Chain. Alright? Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the live chat, and we're going to have you guys spam the chat, all right? And I'm going to count down from 10, and whoever selected in my screenshot, when I take a screenshot, is the winner. Then after you win, you have to make sure that you immediately post in the chat again, and I will make you a moderator so I know it's you, and then you send me your Tether address. All right? You guys ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got ourselves a winner. It is this. Shout out to my man, Ultimate Finish 1. Ultimate Finish 1. All right, Ultimate Finish 1, you are the winner. Go ahead and let me know in the chat. I'll make you a moderator. You send your address, all right? Ultimate Finish 1. Shout out to Ultimate Finish 1. Come on, Ultimate Finish. I need you. I need to see you in the chat, bro. Aha! I see you, bro. All right, now I'm gonna make you a moderator. All right, and then you just send me your tether address, and I will send you 1,500. Man, what a juicy prize! You have won the juiciest prize I think we've given away in a long time on here. See, look, we already got a fake ultimate finish 1. You guys see this? This is why you gotta be quick, right? We already have somebody who made a fake account, and they're posting. This is why you gotta be quick. All right. All right. See, look at this. You guys see this? Look, we got a fake and a real. This is why you gotta be quick with your address, because the fake guy is trying to scam. All right. That's why you gotta be quick. All right. All right. I got your address. I'm about to send it over, all right? About to send it over. Yeah, the scamming people, man. Scammers better stop scamming, all right? Looks like we're about to take a loss on this as well, all right? Looks like we're about to take a loss on this as well. Sheesh. Ah. Oh, well. It's all good, man. You know, we gave it a good shot today. We gave it a good shot today, all right? Tomorrow's a new day. Man, 1,500. Congratulations. 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 That's amazing. All right, we just sent 1,500, baby. We just sent 1,500. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. Well, congratulations to our winner, all right? Congratulations to our winner. All right, we got, yeah, that's a big prize, man. That really is a big prize. But you guys came through with the likes today. You guys came through with the likes. All right, man. It's not looking so great for this long trade, man. How's our uneven butt cheeks looking? Man, 12-minute market cipher B. Man, I'll be honest with you guys. When the 12-minute butt cheeks don't work, that's a bad sign, man. I'm telling you, that's a bad sign, because the 12-minute butt cheeks is a powerful signal. It's a powerful signal. All right? It's a real powerful signal. That's a real powerful signal, man. All right. Oh, red dot. Oh, red dot printing on market cipher B. Man. Man, we are getting wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. Wrecked. Look at this, man. About to take another loss up in here. It's all good. Look, we're going to make it back and more, baby. We're going to make it back and much more. Much more. Mark my words. What does the color of the candles mean? Everything, Bandit. Everything. Maybe, though. Maybe we hold, right? Maybe we hold. That's right. I said I was done for the day. I said I was done for the day. It's so hard for me to say no to 12-minute uneven butt cheeks, though. I'll be honest with you. It's so hard for me to say no. And we're bouncing from the Divine Hood level. And Divine Hood's always right. It's really hard for me to say no to those 12-minute uneven butt cheeks. You know? Yeah, watch out for an orange candle. You gotta watch out. That's what we're looking for, an orange candle right now, baby. You can thank Kamala Harris for this today. Absolutely. In fact, I just sat down to talk to President Trump before this.
Holy crap, folks, we're dumping, and it's going to be huge. We got a massive red candle on the chart. Kamala Harris and her cronies are at it again. This is what communism will do, folks. We need to get together and make Jason Casper great again. Let me see a blue candle, baby.
And I also, believe it or not, see Jason Casper, I'm like this with all the political figures, all right? And Donald Trump put out that statement blaming Kamala. But then the actual president, the sitting president of the United States, sent me a little voice message. He said this.
Now, let me be clear. I've been dead since 2019, and every time you've seen me on TV, it's either been a deep fake or a body double. But the science is settled. This is all Trump's fault.
So look, guys, look. The left's blaming the right's blaming the left. The orange is blaming the purple's blaming the orange. All right? But let's check out the order flow, all right? Let's check out the order flow. See what we know from the order flow. So interestingly enough, a lot of the shorts that were opened up here have taken profit. We have shorts close out at this last low. Shorts have taken profit. A few longs opening up. And we do have like a shimmer of hope here that doesn't look too hopeful because the 12 minutes now printing that red dot, all right? Let's see. We're going to keep our trades on the chart here, baby. We're going to keep all our trades open so we can keep up with what's going on. All right, we got all our trades on the screen right now, baby. We got all our trades on the screen, baby. All right. We're in 2 shorts, and we're in 2 longs. Actually, we're in 3 longs. We're in 1 long in the red, 1 long up $9,000, which we've already locked in on this long trade. 3,000. We've already locked in 2,000. Okay, so wait a second. Yeah, okay, so this was the long trade. So the long trade, we've already locked in. When did I open this long trade? The 11th? The 15th? Man, I'm confused how much we've already made on the long trade. I think we made about 6K already on the long. We've locked in 6K for certain on this long. All right. Oof, not looking good, baby. Not looking good. Just discovered if there's no stop loss, there's no losing. Yeah, except if you're leverage trading with high leverage, baby. All right. Bounce at 63K. That's our next level. That's my next level, man. That's my next level for sure. That's my next level. Shout out to Crypto Facts Report. Blood Diamond on the 3-minute. Oh my goodness. This is relentless dump, baby. I can't believe this, actually. This is crazy to me, guys. This is very rare that 12-minute market Cipher B has multiple drive of uneven butt cheek and doesn't give us something. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Enough of this dumping. Let's pump. Now, hang on. I have to take a pee, all right? I have to take a real bad pee. It's bad. So I'll be right back, all right? Let's pump while I'm gone. Let's pump while I'm gone, all right? Alright, we're back, baby. Shout out to Legit Killer in the chat. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Make sure to smash up the likes. Shout out to Splashfire Films in the chat. Shout out to Adam Thomas. If you want to sing this song, gotta hit the bong. I don't really hit the bong, guys. Alright? Alright, guys, let me know in the chat, who are you going to vote for? Donald Trump or Kamala Harris? Donald Trump or Kamala Harris? 1 for Trump, 2 for Kamala. 1 for Trump, 2 for Kamala. Pop it in the chat. 1 for Trump, 2. Did I wash my hands? Heck no, I didn't wash them. I didn't wash them. I'm picking my nose. Got pee all over them. Alright, now I'm going to touch the camera. Now I touched you with pee and snot. 1 for Trump, 2 for Kamala. We got wild weeks ahead, baby, that's for sure. Alright, Omar's voting for the beast! Alright. Looks like everyone's voting for Trump. We got some people voting for both. Alright, shout out to my man, Nope, for the super chat. 2 super chats. Bro, explain risk management for a small account. You just risk 1% per trade, man. That's it. It's the same for big and small account. You gotta grow a small account. Check MSTR chart, MicroStrategy. All right, let's check it. MSTR. MSTR. This is Michael Saylor. All right. So we do have some bear div on the weekly, actually. That's interesting. Bear div on the weekly. Let's check out the daily. Got some slight bear div on the daily as well. I'd say this is the range to trade right now. I mean, I don't trade this stuff. I'd say like the next local support for this, if we get a pullback, is going to be the value area high, confluence with the golden pocket. And if we lose that, well, I'll be honest with you. I would be interested also in this support resistance flip right here. Let's go to the weekly again. I wish there was like something better there on the weekly. Let's go to the 12-day. Yeah, I wish there was something better there. Let's pull this range and look at it from this area here. Let's look at it from this area here. I'm not seeing a lot of confluence, guys. To be honest with you, I'm not seeing a lot of confluence. All I know is we have bear divs on the weekly and bear divs on the daily. And if we lose our white line at 199, we lose 200, that opens up the door for more downside. And we do have a support resistance flip right here. Right? And it just so happens to be a golden pocket. So if we're looking at this as bullish, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, this is where we would look. If we're looking at this as simply just a sideways range, or that this thing is going to dump, then there's no reason why we can't look back down to the low of the range, honestly. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the super chat. All right. Shout out to Bilal, who says, please check Euro USD monthly trend line. So this could be bullish, honestly, a bullish bump and run pattern if we break out of this with a retest. Could be a bullish bump and run. I literally have not looked at Euro USD in years, guys, like in years. All right, I have been following it, don't know anything about it. Let's check out the weekly here. Yeah, I mean, we would need some kind of confirmation on that. Like, if we break out of this trend line with a retest, that's obviously bullish. We do have some bull divs at this low, and I remember when this happened. I remember when that happened, actually, back in the day. That was pretty crazy when we came down that low, below $1. Yeah, so, you know, it's a very important support. Obviously, like, $1 is a really important support, so coming back down again for this support a third time, you know, I don't know. Thank you so much for the super chat. Let's check out how Bitcoin's doing here. All right, third time. It's the third time we're trying along here, baby. How's it looking? Let's check out the trend line for Bitcoin. Yeesh. Not looking the best, honestly. All right, shout out to everyone in chat. God bless you guys. All right, so a lot of people are voting for Trump. People say Kamala's not fit to run the United States. Does anyone hate Trump? If you hate Trump, let me know why. We got some Kamalas in here. Crypto Future says no rapists. Can I say rape on YouTube? Crap. I take that back. Please, YouTube, don't ban me. Here we go, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Let me sniff the sandals. Let's see if we break this trend line. I like it. This is a 5-minute candle close trend line right here. Let's see if we can't do that. All right, let's see if we can't do that. All right. Shout out to Hawk Merlin. He says we're going to pump, then we're going to Trump. Right back into the falling wedge. Trend lines are useless, bro. Says Pro Frask. Thank you, Pro Frask. I'll take it to heart. Shout out to Divine Hood. You posted a secret message. You should ask who listens to NPR. Do I still hate Trump as a politician? I remember you said that last year for not joining this bomb. So look, I'm apolitical when it comes to federal politics. I don't trust Trump at all. I don't believe he's genuine. And I believe he is a puppet playing a role that he was selected for. I believe he's an actor. He's literally in the WWE Hall of Fame. I like who he portrays himself to be, but I don't believe he's being genuine. And the reason why is because, now don't get me wrong, if I had to choose right now, bullet to the head, Trump or Kamala, obviously, Kamala, in my honest opinion, I don't understand how anybody would desire her to be the leader of the country. Let's be honest here. She speaks like a junior in high school giving her first book report. She has nothing genuine to say. She wasn't even rightfully elected as the Democratic candidate. She's a complete joke. All right? The reason why I don't trust Trump, and this took me a long time. When 2016, 2015, I didn't know what to think about Trump. All right, I didn't know what to think about him. My current view, and I'm open to being wrong about this. I know a lot of people disagree. So if you disagree, I get it. I get why you disagree. But objectively speaking, during the Trump presidency, what's one of the most important issues that's plaguing America today? It's the fact that our currency is being devalued, right? It's the fact that over the past 100 years, the dollar has lost 97 or more now % of its purchasing power. That's the number one issue from an economic standpoint, all right? During the Trump presidency, the money supply doubled, all right? I'm just being objective here. When Trump was president, no other president in history did more damage to the dollar than Trump did. Now, on paper, the economy was booming. But now in the aftermath, inflation is skyrocketing like crazy. All right, what else happened during the Trump presidency? Americans were basically forced to close down their businesses. They were essentially coerced into taking genetic experimentation. Now, I know that the coercion didn't happen until after Trump, but Trump credits himself as being the godfather of the poke, the genetic experimentation, Operation Warp Speed. He's the one. All right? Also, during Trump's presidency, all Americans were put on welfare, a socialist idea to put everybody on universal basic income. But as Trump is the president, every American received a check from the government. So the Bill of Rights is suspended, handed over to FEMA. Every American is put on welfare. The money supply doubles. All right? For these reasons, I cannot trust him. Now, something else that's crazy to me is the fact that people even trust the election process, period. All right? All the people who were vehemently questioning the election last time, saying that obviously there was some hanky-panky when all of a sudden at 3 a.m, hold the count because there's 25,000 mail trucks full of Joe Biden only ballots, right? Now the people still have their hope in that same process again. It's very strange to me. So I don't trust federal politics. I view it as a show. I view it as a means to separate people, put them in two camps to oppose each other. Because when a people is divided, they are more easy to control. Because when people are angry at each other, when people fight each other, when people hate each other, and things happen, right? Demonstrations, stuff like this, that gives the government now a reason to impose harsher, more authoritarian measures, like Marshall Mathers type law, all right? And I don't know if you know this, but on September 27th, now it's legal in the United States for the military to shoot at American citizens on American soil, all right? So things are getting crazy, man. And I firmly am a believer that federal politics is all scripted, it's all staged, it's all meant to divide us. The agenda goes forward. The globalist socialist agenda went forward during Trump. Inflation, money supply doubled, all right? Bill of Rights suspended, put under FEMA. Genetic medical experimentation implemented, began under Trump. Universal basic income, welfare. All Americans got their welfare check. Even I got my welfare check. I didn't even want it, but I got it anyway. We all got that money. You know what I'm saying? This is why I don't trust the Trumpinator. All right? Now, I know we just lost like 300 viewers because you guys worship Trump. Some people worship him like he's Jesus. All right? Dude was on the dang Epstein flight logs. Was a Bill and Hillary Clinton Foundation donor. All right? Was bailed out by the central bankers. Trump was bailed out by the central bankers, okay, when he had to declare bankruptcy. He's obviously playing a role. Dude's an actual actor in the WWE Hall of Fame, just saying. All right? Now, like I said also, gun to my head, who do I want in the White House, Trump or Kamala? Obviously, Trump, obviously. Because his policies are more in line with my worldview. All right? But look at what they've done to everybody, right? They put everybody into two camps, and you either have to be on this side or on this side, right? But I don't think it's that simple, guys. It's really not that simple. You know, it's really not that simple. Nine breakers voting for Kanye. Kanye! Hooray, hip hip hooray! Also, I do think this, like, one more thing about Trump, all right? During he said he was going to drain the swamp, right? He essentially put people from BlackRock in charge of the COVID response, all right? That is not draining the swamp. That is enabling the swamp to become swampier. And then once he got out of office, the swamp was even swampier for now the other side of the political bird to come in and make things worse, right? So the agenda rolls forward, and they use both political parties to push the agenda forward, and they use us, the stupid people, to get all rooting for our sports team, you know, passionately rooting for our person and our people. Meanwhile, the agenda is still the same, right? Look at the chart. We're dumping. Are we dumping? Are we dumping? Are we pumping? We dumping or are we pumping? We dumping or are we pumping? Looks like we're dumping, but that being said, guys, who is they? Who is they? That's for another stream. because I have to head out, guys. I love you all. God bless all of you in Jesus' name. I do pray everybody's blessed. Look, I respect everyone's political views. Those who like Trump, I understand why. All right? Those who hate Trump. People who like Kamala, I'll be honest with you, I don't understand why. I don't understand how anyone who's not... Never mind. Anyway, God bless you guys. I'll see you next time. Peace!